Hello, welcome to this lecture video. So I'm Teacher Melay, and our objective is to solve or to come up with one example of truth table. So this is now the item. So we are going to show the truth table of not P or Q implies not Q. So in identifying for the number of possibilities of true and false combination, so the formula is 2 raised to n, where n corresponds to the number of propositions. So since we have P and Q, so the number of proposition is 2. 2 raised to 2 is 4. So what are these possible combinations of true and false? So we have first to place P and Q. So here, the possible value of P is T, and then Q is also true. So both are true, or proposition P is T, proposition Q is F, or let's reverse this. So P is F and Q is T, or both propositions are false. So we actually have 1, 2, 3, 4, which is aligned with the value of 4 computed in the formula 2 raised to n. Now, what we need to do is to solve first, or to do first whatever is inside the parenthesis. So this is what is inside the parenthesis. So which means we need to compute, or rather to come up with the truth table of not P. All we need to do, this is a negation sign, is to negate true to false and false to true. So we have T, T, F, F. So this is, so T will be converted into F or negated. So it's F, F. And then false is true. And then another false is also true. So we have the negation of P. It is F, F, T, and T. Now, let us consider not P or Q. So our focus must be not P, this is not P, and the value of Q. So let us go back to the rule for OR. So the rule for OR is that if both statements or propositions are false, that's the time that the answer for the proposition is also false, or the compound connective is also false. So that is, so TF is not both false, so this is true. F and F are both false, so this is false. And all others that is not both false is true. So we have T, F, T, and T. Now, let's go back to our compound connectives here. So we have not Q. So we also need to negate Q. So TF, TF is F, T, F, T. Now, our focus is to get not P or Q implies not Q. So what we need to focus is the values here and the last two columns. So what is the rule for implies or if then statement? So for if then, if it is T and F, that's the time that the proposition, compound proposition is the false. So let's locate where is TF. So TF, our first row is TF, so which means this is false. Second, FT, it is not TF, so it is true. TF is also false. T and T is again true. So as stated, if you're going back to our truth table for implication, the rule is that if it is TF, that's the time that the compound proposition is false. So we have the first row F and the third row is TF, so it is F. So the final answer is FT, FT. So this is all for this video. Thank you for watching.